Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get Mink V2 in King Legacy. First, you need to have the Mink V1 race. Next, gather 8 184 carats and 500 000 bully. These are crucial resources for your upgrade. Once you have everything ready, head over to Fior Island. This is where your quest to unlock the powerful Mink V2 begins, so prepare for an exciting adventure. Your first stop is Fior Island. Locate the initial NPC, who will ask for 8 carats and 500 000 bully to start your quest. After that, find the second NPC, usually inside a building on the same island, who requires 16 carats. The third NPC is typically near an outer wall on Fior Island and will ask for 32 carats. Remember to deliver them in the correct sequence. As you progress, you'll visit various islands, including Tundra Island, Shred Endangering Island, and Big Mom Island. Each new NPC you encounter will require double the amount of carats from the previous one. For example, after 32, the next will need 64, then 128, and so on. You must find and deliver to all 10 Mink NPCs in the correct order. Once you've successfully delivered carats to all 10 NPCs, head back to Fior Island. Find the ruined house there and interact with the final NPC to activate your Mink V2. With this upgrade, you'll gain significantly increased speed, much longer dash distances, and boosted damage for your electric fighting style. It's a fantastic enhancement for any player. Also, for other great deals, check the description for a link to amazing leak-proof meal prep containers.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.